Hello everyone, myself Nitin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn how to create pixel stretch effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your image with transparent background. Create a new square document like 2000 by 2000 pixels. Drag your image into new document. Transform and adjust the image to the center of document. Now select rectangular marquee tool and make a selection like this. Press Shift button to add more selections. Repeat this step by pressing Shift button. Right-click and select Layer via Copy. Hide the main image layer. Now separate these selections into different layers. Select the selection, cut and paste into it. Place the selection part below the first selection part like I did. Repeat this step for separate all the selection parts. Delete the separated selection layer. Now select all layers except model and background layer, merge into one layer by right-click and select Merge Layers. Transform layer and stretch from one side by press Shift key. Now select Marquee tool and make a selection. Copy the selection and paste into it, and delete the layer number 2. Now again transform the layer and stretch from right side by holding Shift button. Now stretch from left side by holding Shift button to the corner. Unhide the model layer. Move the stretch layer to the top corner. Now press Ctrl T and right-click select Flip Vertical. Go to Filter and select Distort, and then Polar Coordinates. Select Rectangular to Polar and hit OK. Now move model layer towards up. Adjust the stretched layer to the corners of model. Now create a mask on stretched layer. Select brush tool and make sure foreground color is black and background color is white. Change brush hardness to 100%. Start painting on unnecessary areas. Create a new layer and create clipping mask of it. Now select brush tool and set hardness as equal to 0%. Start painting on the corners of model. It will look like realistic shadow of model. Now apply Gaussian blur on this layer. Set value around 14-15 and hit OK. Change opacity around 50 to 60%. Now create new layer above the background layer and select elliptical marquee tool. Create a ellipse shape selection and fill with foreground color that is black. Select the selection and apply Gaussian blur to it. Set value around 14 to 15 and hit OK. Transform and adjust the shadow layer. Reduce the opacity almost 50%. Now let's create a gradient background. Choose soft colors gradient from predefined list. Change gradient style linear to radial. Reduce the opacity around 50%. Here is the final output. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.